Hey guys, let's discuss one problem from stack, which is called remove k digits. Okay, so here what you need to do, you will be given one string, and then you need to remove for example, k is equal to 3, so you need to remove 3 digits from that string number, and then the new string should be the minimum one. Okay, so you can do one thing, you can sort that, and then you can remove the greater digits, right? So you will sort something like 943 something, and then remove starting 3 digits in descending order. So but that will take n log n complexity, right? Because sorting takes n log n. So but you need to do this in order and complexity. Then how you will do it? So you will use this stack. Okay, so first you will first you will create a stack, and then stack is empty, so this one will go into the stack. Okay, now 4 will come next. Okay, so you will check that see, if you find any element in the stack which is greater, you will remove that element. Okay, and you will do this until this condition is satisfied. Okay, so for example 4 came, so you will first check the stack element. Okay, pick, so 1, the stack pick is 1, so this is greater than 4, no, condition false, so it's okay, just put 4 into the stack. Okay, and then 3 will come, so 3, yeah, 4 greater than 3, condition true. So what you will do, you will remove this 4 from stack, and then k minus minus, so k was initially 3, now it will become 2. Okay, now next you will push this limit into the stack. Okay, so 3 will get pushed into the stack. Now 2 will come. Okay, so check, 3 is greater than 2, yes, condition true. So what you will do, you will remove this 3 from the stack. Okay, and k minus minus, k will become 1, and then again you will check that 1 is greater than 2, condition false. Okay, so you will put 2 into the stack. Okay, so what it would be, 2 will come here. Now again next 2 will come, so you will just simply push this into the stack because it is not greater than 2, right? 2 is greater than 2, condition false. Then 1 will come, so you will check stack top is 2, okay, greater than 1, so condition true, right? So k minus minus, k will become 0, and you will remove this element from stack. Okay, and then you will put this 1 into the stack because k now became 0, right? And so here we check k is greater than 0 also in the condition. So what you will do, you will just put append all the remaining element into the stack. Okay, so 1 will come here, let me remove this 2. Okay, so see, 1 will come here. Okay, and then 9 is remaining, 9 will also come here. Now just take all the element from the stack. Okay, stack dot pop, so what it would be, 9 1 2 1, and reverse it, so it will become 1 2 1 9. This one will be your answer. Okay, and here you need to handle few edge cases. For example, let's say if you have number something like 0 0 1 2 1 9, right? Then in that case you need to trim this 2 zeros. So how you will do it, you will simply check that while sb.length is greater than 1 and sb.character at 0 is 0, then you just delete character at 0. Okay, and then this while loop will continue until your all the zeros will not get trimmed from starting point. Okay, and one more condition you need to handle here. Let's say your k is still greater than 0, but your stack is completed. Okay, in that case what you will do, you will delete elements from you will pop elements. Okay, whatever is remaining, you will pop those elements. So for example, see, here is k is greater than 0, then stack dot pop k minus minus, while condition, while loop is running. Okay, if k is still remaining, remove from end. So yeah, this is what we are doing. So you would be given one number string and then one k. Okay, and then you will create one stack, character stack, and then you will iterate that character stack. You will check if stack is not empty, k is greater than 0, and stack dot pick is greater than your digit. Then in that case you will remove that element from stack and will do k minus minus. Otherwise, or after this, you will do stack dot push digit. That digit you will put into the stack. Okay, now this condition we have already discussed. If k is still remaining, then remove it from the end, and then build result. Then how you will build result, you will use one string builder, and then if stack is not empty, so sb.append stack dot pop. Okay, here you, and then is sb.reverse. This is important. And here we have discussed the remove leading zeros. Then you will return the sb.toString. That's it. Thank you.